So the first step is to make the sky. For that I am drawing a line in the above part and making a partition like this. In this partition we will apply white acrylic paint so that we will be having no problem in blending the colors. Spread the white color evenly. Now take some cobalt blue color and apply it on the top. Now apply some lemon yellow color just above the line. Now I am applying some white color so that it will be easy for us to blend the colors. Now the next step is to make the waterfall. For that I am taking some ultramarine blue color and I'll apply it on the canvas like this. Now when we are done with this, we'll take some black color. We will apply it on both of the sides beside the blue part. Now I have taken ultramarine blue color and added some white color in it to make this color. Now what we have to do, we will take flat brush number 20 and make it like this. Stroke the brush downwards. First you have to apply pressure in the top and leave it with a very less pressure. This will create a very amazing this type of effect. Now make some more waterfalls, but as you come downwards, decrease the size of your waterfalls. Now I'm taking some light green color and flat brush number 5. Now I'm splitting the top end of the brush to get the right texture of dense foliage effect. Now in the same way we will create that foliage effect in the other side too. Now again with the white color, follow the same steps, apply pressure on the top and leave it with very less pressure. And again I am taking flat brush number 5 and splitting the top end of it to make the splashes of water. Your old brushes which have lost their textures are very much useful for creating these type of effects. Now I am taking dark brown or burnt umber color for making these rocks, actually the base of rocks. Now I am applying some light brown color on the top of the rocks to give them a realistic effect. Now to give them a more real look, I am applying white color on the top of the rocks. Now we will make trees. For that I have taken dark brown color to make the trunk of the trees. Now for the trees, I have taken orange yellow color to make the leaves and the petals of the flowers. I am leaving it with some yellow highlights on the top of the petals. On the other tree, first I have made the base with dark green color, and now I am taking some rose color and making the petals of the other tree. In the same way, make that effect of dense foliage with your old brush. Now I am dabbing some white color which will mix with rose color, and it will give us a very beautiful effect of light pink color. To give it a final touch, I am making two eagles on the sky. After it, our painting look like this. So hope you liked this video. You should try it at home. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Meet you in my next video. Take care.